Hey everyone, want to create a Facebook account but not sure how to get started? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to create a Facebook account step by step in a quick and simple way. Step 1. Open Facebook app or website. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or visit facebook.com in your browser. Open the main screen, tap Create New Account or Sign Up. Step 2. Enter your basic information. Now enter your first name and last name, then tap Next. After that, choose your date of birth and select your gender. Make sure all the details are correct before moving on. Step 3. Add phone number or email. Next, enter your mobile number or email address. This information will be used for account verification and recovery. Tap Next to continue. Step 4. Create a strong password. Now create a strong password. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Then tap Next. Step 5. Verify your account. Facebook will send you a verification code to your phone number or email. Enter the code to confirm and verify your account. Step 6. Complete profile setup. Once your account is verified, you can add a profile picture and start finding friends. You can also skip this step and complete your profile later. Important tips. Always use real information to avoid account problems. Never share your password with anyone. For extra safety, you can turn on two-factor authentication. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now ready to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy tech tutorials.